Hi everyone! I am standing in front of our Mighty wall and one of these Mighties can be yours. However, before we are going to announce the winner of the Sonic Mighty, I first am going to announce the winner for the last round for one of the smaller prizes. Before I'm going to do that, I first would like to point out that you still have a little over 2 weeks to join our giveaway. And if you decide to join the giveaway, be sure that you meet all the criteria, such as whenever you post your result, be sure that you use the hashtag iwantfepshop, that you show our logo in your post, and that you print something or show us something that is either related to the Netherlands or to FEPshop. So now I will show you the results that we have this time. Pretty nice, huh? They have really great detail, both of them. However, only one can win this time. So now I will show you the winner of this round, and the person who won this time is 3D Printed Minis, and he created the figure with the Dutch flag and also in an orange color, just how we like it. But since we saw that you are saving for the Sonic Mega 8K because you mentioned it in your post, we would like to give you 100 euros in store credit. Congratulations! And for everyone else, if you are joining the giveaway, please be sure that you meet all the criteria, because we get a lot of really nice entries, but not all of them meet the criteria. So be sure that you check the criteria before uploading your result. And I don't have anything else to mention other than good luck and see you next time.